going to start with the shopping cart. The shopping cart from the admin standpoint. What does the shopping cart means to us, the administrators? The shopping carts allow you to set up your payment processors for your website, for the entire system. So what we're going to do, we click on the shopping cart here. And as the page loads up, you are able to enter multiple payment processing centers or entities if you have an account with all of them. As it is now, PayPal is the first one, so you put the email, your email address that you have used to register yourself or your company with PayPal. You put it there. That's your PayPal login email address. Therefore, when you put it in there, when a customer wanted to buy your stuff, when it said pay now or check out, then it will take them to PayPal. If you have PayPal and Authorize.net, they give you, Authorize.net give you a login ID and the transaction key that must accompany every transaction request that is being sent to the network, the secure system. So you put it there. Either or, if you have Authorize.net only, then it's going to be processed for Authorize.net. If you have both PayPal and Authorize.net, then the user on your site, when they click on checkout, then they have an option of selecting PayPal, pay with PayPal, or pay with Authorize.net. Okay? And therefore, they decide which one they want to go with, and they submit a payment to you. The payment gets processed, and you get paid. You get a notification, instant notification. Same as you have instant notification from the payment processors saying that here's the customer information, they bought this item, and here's the money. Now, with the BillMaster, which is a subsidy program that we have to process online billing system, if you are an existing subsidy customer, then you will have an ID if you are getting your customers payment process through BillMaster, which means through subsidy, then you would have entered your BillMaster ID there. The secure SSLs, how you call it, secure socket layer server, which is a secure server key. You will put it here if you have one, which means that if you are running our program on your own server, then you probably will be running an SSL server there, in which case you will put the code in there, and then you put the SSL server header here, which for each transaction that is being issued from your website, then your server will receive this information here and be able to process that transaction from your server standpoint. Okay? Now, that is how you set up the payment gateways to process payment on your website. When you click on the tax tab, we're going to show you the available tax information that you have previously entered. If there was none, then it will be blank. Therefore, you want to add a tax depending on where you are. If you are required by your local authority or legal system that you must collect taxes, this is where you do that. So by adding taxes, you are able to select the state or the province that you're calling from, and then you are able to enter the available tax rate for that area. So for example, since we're in the United States, if I'm from Kentucky, I'm going to say Kentucky tax, and then the percentage is 8.5, and then I click save, and it will be saved. So when the user is about to finish complete the checkout, if I have multiple tax brackets here of tax requirement, then the user will have to pick which state he or she is from and pick the taxes. Therefore, the percentage will be applied to the total dollar value of the product or services that the user is buying. Then again, you go to the settings, go to the security, which is covered through the other module that we have. So bottom line is shopping cart allow you to set up your payment gateway, allowing you to have either one only payment processing services. PayPal is relatively free upfront, but when the customer purchases it, that's when you submit the payment. AuthorizeNet has its own requirement, etc., and BillMaster has its own requirement as well. And then taxes allow you to create only either one tax per your local residence area for your business, or you can create multiple, allowing the users to pick the one they want.